Assalamu alaikum. This is your teacher Muhammad Hassan Baig, and in today's class, I'm going to discuss about the if-else structure. Like, what are if-else? For that, I need to discuss what are if-else and elif, right? And I'm just commenting here, as you guys know, we can comment in the program, right? So first we need to understand what are if else. Basically, just think about it. Let's say there is a boy. Uh, okay, just forget it. Listen, let's say you are your age is 15 years old, and there is a software who needs to check whether you are an adult or you are an young boy or a kid. For that, there needs to be two numbers. There needs to be basically two options. If you are adult, so we need to check it. We will going to ask you about your age. So if your age is going to 18, then we consider you adult. Or if your age is sorry, your age is less than 18, we are considering you as a young boy or a kid. Okay, so basically there are two things, and that is somehow we discussed in our previous video. That is some kind of a Boolean logic. That is uh, Boolean data type, but that means true or false. Either it is true or either it is false. And we will also call it as a conditional statement, right? It works like a Boolean data type, true or false. So I'm not going much into that theory kind of thing. Let's jump into the program. Let's jump into the code, and from code, you will going to be understand this kind of concept in a more better way. So let's say I'm just yeah, making a variable age, which is maybe any kind of anything. We can take it as an input as well, but just hardcode, no? Age equals to 70. And for if else, the boys and students, girls, remember the structure very carefully because whenever student is try to run the program, there kind of issue. No? So that kind of issue is a syntax issue, which means you are putting the arrangement, putting the things are not proper. I'm going to teach that if age is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, here I need to use colon and see. As soon as I press enter, I got a space. So this is basically the structure. If age is greater than or equal to 18, uh, I need to print it on the screen. So you are an adult, else. Okay. Uh, One more thing, you can add as much messages as you want in because this thing you are printing over here, this comes under the umbrella of this text. So whatever you are printing in this, that can print. I'm just giving another print. You can give there as well. You can vote. Yeah, that be good. Okay. And I need to work for those persons who are younger. So for that, I also need to declare something else. Okay. Here is a colon as well. Remember, if you forget that colon, there will be an issue. So must remember that. And there is also indentation thing. Remember, this is a space. That this space is known as indentation. Or you simply understand some space from margin, or it is known as indentation. This is very important for whether you are programming or whether you are doing pseudo codes for your exams, GCE or IGCSE exams. This is important, right? So it's print. I'm just forwarding it for you are. Yeah, maybe good, right? Or you can display multiple messages as well. So let's try. Okay, here we got the message, right? You are young too. So that means you can't work because why? Because the age is 17. So let's make it mm, whether 90. So you are an adult, you can vote. So you can get multiple messages as much as you want. Right? So instead of hard-coded value, I am I'm taking an input from the user. So okay, let's take an input from the user. For input, I'm just putting it, oh, enter your age. Okay, but I have taught you in one of our video, okay, whatever you are taking input, Python considered as an string. So if you use this age equals to enter your age, and because and it will what it will does it considered as a string, but and you are comparing a string with a integer data type, so there will be an issue, right? So will it work? Let's thought about it. Hmm. Think about it and just pause the video and think whether it worked or not. I'm moving my video. Okay. Let's see if it's work or not. I am putting my age. It's 26. Maybe. Oh, there is an error, right? So what can we do here in this regard? Whether you consider it as an integer or float, maybe because someone put his age maybe 26.5. So for safe side, I'm just using float and just putting my age. Okay, enter your age. I'm just okay. Just leave it. I'm just putting in my age 25. Oh, that's good. I got the thing. Uh, and add the column over here to make it more beautiful. And again, if I put my age maybe 11, you are young to vote. So I got the answer. So this kind of thing you can work like that, right? So hopefully you understand the if else structure and in Python. Okay, uh, in Python we are also you can also provide multiple options as well. So just go into another example and we'll discuss that as well, inshallah. I'm going to build a grading system. Basically, this system will ask the teacher like about the grade, about that kind of thing. So for that, I need to mm, take the input from a teacher, maybe marks equals to input, mm, enter. I'm just taking uh, marks, right? But for a safe side, I am asking in float, right? We have discussed, no? Why do we need it? If you have any concerns related to any kind of thing, you may come to me and I'll happy to answer your thing. Okay, thing here, just float capital, so it will not work. It's a case sensitive language. So I'm taking asking if you have any problem, just comment down there. Or if you have my number, you can WhatsApp me. I try to help you out, inshallah. My number, I'm just like giving my number here. Uh, you need maybe, mm, okay, I'm just putting the country code here as well because some of you are seeing me from other countries. So here is my number. Right? Oh, one more thing in comments, you can put anything, whatever you want, while providing the comments. Right? So yeah, so marks are entered, and now I am just asking if marks is greater than or equal to maybe 90, colon, remember it, and print A star or A plus, A1, whatever you can provide it. Okay, now, as I can provide multiple options, so as a teacher have multiple option grading criteria, so for that I need to use elif, which is basically the short form of LSEC, right? So I'm using elif. Marks is greater than or equals to maybe 80. You can change it according to your choice and according to your region, according to the examination authority criteria or whatever. That is not our concern. We can just do the code A star. So I can give it like A maybe. And again, I need to use Aleph because marks may be uh, greater than or equal to maybe 75, right? So yeah, print B plus and left mass is greater than or equal to maybe 70, and print. Okay, let's see. There's a mistake. There's a because it the variable is marked single s, and I just put mistakenly double s. So yeah, you can work it like print the parentheses, and in this I'm just maybe b, or you can add as much as possible or as per the criteria. So, but I'm just providing it for the U grade ungraded. Na? So I'm just you can add it the video maybe lengthier. So at last point or at the last option, at the last choice, you can use else. So else marks is less than or equal to. Okay, in else, yeah, forget it. Else marks is less than or equals to maybe 60, comma, print and ungraded. Yes, try to compile it, and I'm marking my marks 85. Yes, 80, A grade. So as I put 85, so it's A grade. And now I will update it with more 25. Yes. Now, if I enter the mark, let's say maybe 92, let's see what it will. It's A star. And if I put the marks maybe 50, and it's ungraded. So hopefully you understand this kind of all the things, and if you have any queries related to it, you may ask. Uh, if you guys need it, I'll make some other video related to this. Just comment down if you have any query, or if you understand this thing, this program, just give the thumb up of this video. And you can also share this video with your friends, if you want to help them out, right? So they also understand like you are going great. Thank you. So that's all from my side in this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you inshallah in next time.